Hey everyone, welcome you all. In the today's video, I'm going to show you how to handle JavaScript alerts in Selenium without using switching commands. So there are multiple ways to handle it. So normally we choose switch to dot alert method, which will return the alert box, and then we can accept or we can dismiss according to our requirement. But if I do not use switch to dot alert, then how we can handle this? So let me show you an example. So for that, I'm taking this application, and in this we have a different type of buttons here: simple alert, confirmation alert, and prompt alert. You can take any one. So I'm taking simple alert. Now I want to close this alert box uh, without switching or without using switching methods. So let us see how we can do this. And for that, I'm opening my Eclipse, and I already created a new Maven project and updated my pom.xml with Selenium dependency. Now I'm directly writing the script. Let's go to my test package, creating the new class along with this main method, and I'm providing a class name. Let's say this is alerts. Click on the finish. So now let me start writing the simple piece of code to handle alert boxes. So for that, what we need to do, first we need to create a WebDriver instance. So I'm just creating WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Now we need to import this Chrome driver class and WebDriver. Now I imported these two WebDriver interface and Chrome driver classes, and then I'm launching my application. I can say driver.get, and here I will provide the URL of the application. Now, as soon as I open application, I'm trying to maximize it. I say driver.manage.window.maximize. So this will maximize the page. So now, so to get an alert window, we need to uh, perform click action on the simple alert button. So I'm just inspecting this element and capture the XPath or any locator for this element. And I'm using this locator and finding the element. I say driver.findElement by.xpath, and then I'm performing the click action on it. So this will open the alert, JavaScript alert. So once it is open alert, normally how we can handle using switching commands. So the general approach is by using switching command. How we can do driver dot switch to dot alert. So this will actually return the alert type of object, so that I can store in a variable like this, and you can import this alert. And after that, you can just do whatever action you want. If you want to capture the text from this alert, you can capture by using get text. And if you want to close it, you can use either accept or dismiss button, something like this. Let's say alert dot. We have two methods, accept and dismiss. Accept means it will close alert box using OK button. I'm just say accept. So this is a general method, everyone. Normally we use it. So let me just execute this and show you. Opens the page, and then it will open the alert box and immediately it will close it. So we are not able to see the alert box because it went very faster. So what I'll do is I'll just put some wait here so that we can clearly see the alert. I can say thread dot sleep and just wait for 3 seconds and declare the exception. Now execute. Now you can see this time it will open the alert box, and after that it will automatically close by using OK button. So this is our alert box and it is closed. Perfectly fine. Suppose if you don't want to use this method, switch to dot alert, then how we can handle this? So there is another way we can handle by using ExplicitWait. Using ExplicitWait, we can still handle it. So this button, when I click on this button, it will automatically open the alert box. Now what we need to do is we need to wait for particular alert is available. Once it is available or once it is present, we will capture it. So how to use ExplicitWait? First, we need to declare the ExplicitWait. How to declare it? Using WebDriver wait. I'm just declaring the ExplicitWait. I say WebDriver wait, my wait equal to new WebDriver wait, and here we need to pass two arguments. So one is we need to pass a driver instance, and then we need to pass time duration of seconds, milliseconds, whatever you want. I can just pass 10 seconds. So this is a declaration of our explicit wait. We need to import required classes, and then we will try to put one condition. So how we can put the condition explicit wait? I can say my wait dot until. Using this method, we can put the condition until we have a class called expected conditions dot. So inside this, there are multiple conditional methods are there. So we need to take the relevant method. So here basically we are looking for what alert should be present. So I can take one method called alert is present. So what this method will do is this method particularly wait for alert to be present. Once the alert is present, and then it will automatically return that alert. So that I'm going to store in a alert type of object. I can just say alert, and here the type of this alert is what alert type. So now we got an alert. So once we get an alert, we can simply accept or we can dismiss. I can say alert dot accept. So this is how we can also handle the alert box JavaScript alert using ExplicitWait. Let me execute and show you. Now my application is launched. Open the alert box, and then it will automatically closed. So this is how we can also handle alert box using ExplicitWait by putting proper condition. And apart from this, there is another way using JavaScript Executor also we can handle the JavaScript alert. Let me show you this. So commenting this, and then third approach. So using JavaScript Executor class, JavaScript Executor. So for that we need to first declare JavaScript Executor object, and then we will try to execute JavaScript using that object. So I'm creating JavaScript Executor object, JavaScript Executor, and I call it as a JS equal to. We need to first assign the driver to it. So we cannot directly assign, so we need to do typecasting. So here I can say typecasting JavaScript Executor, and then initiate the driver. Import this JavaScript Executor. So now we need to run JavaScript using this JS. How to execute using by calling execute script. So inside this we need to pass proper arguments. One argument. So what is that argument? Is simple. Window dot alert equal to a function. This is empty function. There is no body for this. And then put semicolon. So this is the argument which we need to pass inside the JavaScript. So this will automatically close your alert box. Okay, now let me execute and show you. So my application is got launched. Maximize. Now open the alert box, and it is automatically closed. Now you can just go back and see we got some exception. It is successfully handled the alert, but we got some exception called unhandled alert exception. So to avoid this exception, simply you can put this in the try block. You can just put try catch block. Catch. And if you want to write a direct exception name, unhandled alert except, you can write it, or else simply you can say exception. Define. Just leave it empty. Now execute one more time. And launching my application. Open the alert. Now this will automatically close without having any exception. I can just go back and see nothing is there. Okay. So these are the three different approaches which we have to handle JavaScript alert. So you can handle any type of alert, like normal alert, simple alert, or confirmation or prompt alert. Any type of alert we can simply handle using either ExplicitWait or by using JavaScript Executor. So if you do not want to use switchTo alert method, then you can still handle it by using ExplicitWait by putting proper condition, alert is present, and or we can go with the JavaScript Executor. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.